I'm in Raven Studios in good old Mesa, Arizona. It's working.
I know it's working, but is it coming through the speakers?
No.
Okay.
We're gonna do YouTube videos on the different things, how to do Logic Pro, with the Slate plugins, for instance.
Hey Bob, you know how to get these plugins working?
Yeah, I had no idea. I'm Bob Bell. Thanks for coming, checking out Raven Studios. Hope to see you soon. Be good or be good at it. See ya.
Suppose you think you know what
Hey,
makes
Bobby
us
Joe and Rip
country
on
boys
set
tick.
of Country Girls on location.
It's a little warm, but we got this.
It's warm.
And for our next pro tip, why not to shoot a music video in Phoenix in the middle of the summer.
Am I getting all the answers you want?